Good morning, grade 12 learners of accounting. You are watching Mr. Kevin Jacobs here from the Buffalo City Municipality District. I am here to present a lesson to you guys on accounting, paper 1 specifically. As you know, you are writing accounting paper 1 next week. So I'll be here to give you an overview of the paper as well as some tips that can actually assist you with making the paper more easy, as well as enjoyable. Okay, let's start. Okay, basically in accounting paper 1, the overview is as follows. We get up to 4 questions, sometimes more, sometimes 5 questions. The first question that we have is the question on financial statements, notes to financial statements. Um, Question number 2 will be cash flow statements, financial indicators, notes as well to financial statements. Question 3, analysis and interpretation of financial statements. And then the last question, corporate governance and audit report. You will see in brackets, I've also indicated here for you the mark allocation of those questions. The range for question 1 is between 50 and 60 marks. The range for question 2 is between 30 and 45 marks. The range for question 3 is between 35 and 45 marks. And then the mark allocation for question 4, which is your last question normally, will be a total of 15 marks. Okay, I do also want to remind you that we do have a comment section that you guys can interact with us on the on the YouTube page. Indicate for us where you guys are from. Also, if you have any questions throughout the presentation, do drop your question there. I will get back to you guys as soon as possible to answer any concerns or questions you guys might be having. Okay, so when we look at the overview of paper 1, specifically question 1, you will see the following questions in detail that will be assessed. The statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position, correction of net profit, notes to financial statements, financial indicators, inventory valuation, which will have our 3 inventory valuation methods, which is our WAM, which is our weighted average method, our FIFO method, which is our first in, first out method, as well as our specific identification method. Okay, I repeat, we have the WAM method, FIFO method, as well as the specific identification method. And the last question will then be the fixed assets that can also be assessed. Now, it doesn't mean that all of these questions will be assessed in the question 1 of paper 1. There will be a combination of them. They might ask you a full statement of comprehensive income with a full statement of financial position, or they might ask you a statement of comprehensive income with a section of the statement of financial position. They might ask you also the correction of net profit with a full statement of financial position. They can ask you any of the notes that you've been studying from grade 10 up to grade 12 to the financial statements, notes such as your interest paid, interest income, your fixed assets, your inventory, your trade and other receivables, trade and other payables, but the focus in most cases will be on the new notes that you have done in grade 12, which will then be your ordinary share capital note as well as your retained income note. Okay. Tips on answering the statement of comprehensive income. Okay, I'll just give a broad overview for question 1. However, I'll delve more deeply into question 2 for this lesson. Okay. So first of all, when it comes to the statement of comprehensive income, it's important for you to know your concepts, to score those easy marks at the beginning of the paper if it is being asked, as well as the format to the statement of comprehensive income. Adjustments are also important, very important. You will always get adjustments where you are asked to adjust a figure from the pre-adjusted trial balance, right? And then the final figure you will obviously put in the last column to the statement of comprehensive income. Also, what we've noticed in recent days that there is balancing figures that they are asking you to calculate. in the statement of comprehensive income, certain figures might be left out, then you will have to do that at the end to complete the statement of comprehensive income. Some adjustments also in the